This project was funded by the Maharashtra Forest Department to gather information on small cats from Sanjay Gandhi National Park in Mumbai. I'm Shomita Mukherjee from the Salim Ali Center for Ornithology and Natural History. Nandini Rajamani is from ISER Tirupati. Nayan Khanolkar is a photographer from Mumbai, and P.V. Karunakaran is my colleague from SACOM. The Forest Department of Maharashtra has started a program known as Mumbaikars for Leopards, where they involve citizens as well as scientists to tackle issues related to leopard conservation. We borrowed from there and we involved citizens on our project. However, we decided not to restrict citizen participation to just collecting samples for us, but we also decided to train them in the basics of cat ecology as well as other issues that related to wildlife research. The main objective of the entire project was to gather information on small cats in SGNP with the help of trained citizen volunteers. The objective of the current study that I'm presenting now is to assess the impact of training on citizen participants. We contacted volunteers from across Mumbai over social networking sites. Over 2 months, we held several sessions of practical and theory, and we trained the volunteers in the basics of cat ecology and behavior. GIS techniques, for example, we taught them how to overlay a grid on a map, among other applications, habitat monitoring and its uses, techniques to study cats including scat collections, how to locate scats, molecular techniques to ID the scats, and camera trapping. Some of the volunteers were involved in the analysis of the data that they collected. The volunteers, after the training, they self-organized into groups and they went into the park and over weekends, and they collected scats as well as set up camera traps and collected information on the habitat. Once the project was over, we sent them an online questionnaire to seek their opinion of the training that was imparted and how it met their expectations. We analyzed the responses using chi-square and paired Wilcoxon tests. Of the 35 participants who enrolled on the project, 19 responded to the questionnaire. More than 50% of the 19 respondents were undergraduate students. Around 21% were citizens who were either earlier involved in wildlife research programs or they held positions, jobs that were in some way related to conservation. The main motivation to join the project was to learn more about how wildlife science or research was conducted, to learn new skills and to understand conservation issues, especially in Mumbai, better. Our results showed that the knowledge of various issues related to conservation and small cats increased significantly because of the training. This was true especially with respect to knowledge of small cats. To conclude, the primary motivators for the participants to join the project was a desire to learn more about how wildlife science was conducted and to learn new skills and to learn more about issues related to conservation, especially in Mumbai. Their knowledge on small cats, wildlife research and conservation issues seemed to improve significantly after the training. One of the volunteers completed her master's dissertation on the diet of the rusty spotted cat, and another volunteer completed his internship on GIS techniques and molecular techniques and their applications in wildlife research. Thank you.